Hello everyone and welcome back to Code Crew. So today we'll see how we can generate a Testng.xml file using Java code or how we can execute our Testng test without using XML file at all. So we'll start by setting up a few test cases and then we'll walk through the process of executing them via code only. So let me just make two test cases as of now, test1 and test2. I'll just write a simple statement as executing test1. I'll annotate the method with add the rate test and just duplicate the method and call it test2. First we will execute this method via an XML file and then we'll convert that XML file into a code to run the same cases via code only. So let me just create the XML file. I'll just call it testng.xml. We'll start by the suit tag. The name of the suit can be anything. We'll just keeping it code crew. Then it will contain the test tag. It will further contain a number of classes, and the class that we want to execute is code crew test class, this class, right? So the name of the class will be code crew test. Oh, sorry. Okay, now we can simply run this XML file and we'll see that both of the cases have been executed. Now we will try to convert this XML file or make this XML file via code. So testng provides us few equivalents of the tags that have been presented here only. So you'll see this suit tag has an equivalent of XML suit class in testng. This test tag has an equivalent of XML test class, and this class tag has an equivalent of XML class. So this class tag has an equivalent of XML class. So if we want to convert this testng XML file, we just use these classes and we'll make an XML file at runtime. So let's create a class, say generate XML. We will be writing the code to generate this XML file at runtime. So as we can see, we have three objects here. We can say, right, XML suit, XML test, and XML class. So let's create all of these objects one by one. First, we will create the XML suit object. XML suit. The name of our suit is code crew, right? Then we will be creating the XML test object. In XML test, we will pass the object of XML suit. Okay. Now the name of our test is again code group. Then we will create the XML class and we will mention which class we want to execute. It will be code group test. So all of the objects have been created. Now we can see that here it is a list of classes only. So we will be creating the list of classes, list of XML classes. We will add our class here, XML class, and this test belong to this list of XML classes. So we will set the test, we will kind of link the test with the XML classes. So this XML file is kind of created. Now we just want to execute the XML file, right? For that we would be creating an object of testng. We will tell testng that you want to execute this suit. So how do we do that? Testng.set XML suits. Here we can see that it accept a list of XML suits. So first we have to create the list of the XML suit as well. So let's create the list of XML suit, new array list, suits dot add XML, or we can say suit, right? Now we will just set this suit here, and that is it. Now we will just call the run method to run our testng. Here we can see, right, both of the test cases have been executed which were part of code crew test class. So this is how we can very easily execute our test cases with the help of code without needing to create a test.xml file at runtime. So even if I delete this test.xml file here, let's say I'll just delete it. Okay, this is now deleted, the XML file has been deleted. Now if I again run the same class, you can see that both of the test cases have been executed. So this is how we can do that. And if you like to check out the code that we wrote in this video, feel free to visit the article on our website codecrew.com. We will also include the link in the description below. And if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thank you. See you next time.